Day 3 of my challenge. If you look at keenly at the arrow which is moving around the circles, you'll able to see my entry point. If you're able to see it, make sure that you comment it at the comment section so that you can assist your friend. That's an assignment. Today I'm trading even. Before I trade, I always go to analysis tool option. I put one number of ticks. I put 100 ticks. Then just look at the percentage of even and odd. Yeah, that's the first run. It's a profit. Yeah, you see the percentage of even and odd. If you found that even is 60 and above, you can make your trades. Loss. It has appeared. Let me see what will happen. Profit, right? Yeah, if you look at keenly, you are able to see my entry point. And if you are able to see my entry point, make sure that you comment it at the entry point at the comment section so that you can assist your friend. Guys, today the way I am looking at the market is not much good, so let us continue from there tomorrow.